Hello students, how are you? I hope you all are fine. So beta, today we will recite a poem. It is At the Zoo, page number 9. So beta, take out your book, and open page number 9. At the Zoo. But before reading the poem, we would like to ask a few questions. What is the zoo? Have you ever visited a zoo? What makes the visit to the zoo enjoyable? Beta, a zoo is a place where different types of animals like lion, tiger, elephant, etc. are kept in cages. So beta, people go to the zoo to see these wild animals. Do you know students? These animals also have feelings. So let us recite the poem At the Zoo. At the zoo. Be careful what you say or do when you visit the animals at the zoo. Don't make fun of the camel's hump. He is very proud of his noble bump. Don't laugh too much at the chimpanzee. He thinks he is as wise as you or me. And the penguins strutting down the lake can understand remarks you make. Treat them as well as they do you, and you will always be welcome at the zoo. So that is the poem. Now we will explain it. Be careful what you say or do when you visit the animals at the zoo. So beta, in the first stanza, the poet wants us to be careful about our words or action when we are at the zoo. It means the poet advises us how to behave with the animals when we go to visit to zoo. So beta, ज़ू में वो पोइट जो है हमें कहना चाहते हैं कि जब भी हम ज़ू जाएं जहाँ पे बहुत सारे एनिमल्स और ये हैं, जब भी हम जाएं तो हमें ध्यान रखना चाहिए कि हम क्या कह रहे हैं और क्या हम कर रहे हैं ज़ू में. सो हमें इन चीज़ का ध्यान रखना चाहिए. डोंट मेक फन ऑफ द कैमल्स हम्प. ही इज़ वेरी प्राउड ऑफ हिज नोबल बम्प. हम्प बेटा, यू कैन सी डैट इज़ द हम्प. उभरा हुआ हिस्सा, हम इसको क्या कहते हैं? हम्प. ओके बेटा. सो डोंट मेक फन ऑफ द कैमल्स हम्प. ही इज़ वेरी प्राउड ऑफ हिज नोबल बम्प. Student, here the poet tries to explain that we should not make fun of the camel's hump. Okay? Because he is very proud of his noble bump. बेटा, we should not make fun of the camel's hump. कैमल के हम का हमें कभी मजाक नहीं करना चाहिए, क्योंकि वो जो कैमल है वो उसका प्राउड है, उसका गर्व है नोबल बम्प पे. सो हमें उसका कभी भी मजाक नहीं उड़ाना चाहिए. ओके बेटा. नाउ नेक्स्ट पैराग्राफ. डोंट लाफ टू मच एट द चिंपैंजी. ही थिंक्स ही इज एज वाइज एज यू और मी. सो इन द थर्ड stanza, students, we should not laugh at the chimpanzee because chimpanzee thinks himself as intelligent as we humans are. सो बेटा, वी शुड नॉट मेक फन. हमें कभी भी जो है चिंपैंजी पर कभी भी मजाक नहीं उड़ाना चाहिए, क्योंकि वो अपने आप को इतना इंटेलिजेंट समझते हैं जितने कि वी ह्यूमंस आर, हम ह्यूमंस हैं. ओके. नाउ इन द नेक्स्ट स्टैंजा, एंड द पेंगुइन स्ट्रटिंग डाउन द लेक कैन अंडरस्टैंड रिमार्क्स यू मेक. In this stanza, the poet tries to explain that penguins understand everything what we say or we comment at them. When we saw the penguins at the zoo, we should not pass any comments on them. Okay, beta. Now the last stanza, treat them as they do you, and you will always be welcome at the zoo. So in the last stanza, in the end, the poet is advising us to be disciplined by watching the animals at the zoo. If we treat them with respect, they will always welcome us at the zoo. So बेटा, in the last paragraph, last stanza में पोएट कहना चाहता है कि हमें जो है ऐसा व्यवहार करना चाहिए कि जितना जो हमें भी अच्छा लगे, एज दे डू यू, अगर तुम्हें करे तो तुम्हें भी अच्छा लगे, तो वो हमेशा क्या है, जो जू में एनिमल्स है वो हमेशा वेलकम करेंगे हमारा. आई होप यू ऑल माइट हैव अंडरस्टूड हाउ टू बिहेव विद एनिमल्स. ओके बेटा, नाउ वी विल डू द some new words and the new words. First one is careful, careful, careful. Now the next one is hump, hump, hump. Third one is proud, proud, proud. Fourth one is noble, noble, noble. Fifth, laugh, laugh, laugh. Sixth, strutting, strutting, strutting. Seventh one is remarks, remarks, remarks. Eighth, treat, treat. Ninth one is always, always. And the last one is welcome, welcome, welcome. And the word meanings: hump, rounded projecting part; noble, that deserve praise; and the last word meaning: strutting, moving about proudly. So beta, you have to write these words, new words and word meaning in your notebook and learn it. Okay beta, thank you.